The rising role of artificial intelligence in digital marketing and web development. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized many industries, and digital marketing and web development are no exceptions. From chatbots to personalized recommendations, AI-powered tools are changing the way businesses operate online. In this post, we will explore the impact of AI on digital marketing and web development, and how businesses can leverage this technology to improve their online presence. AI in digital marketing. AI-powered digital marketing tools can help businesses automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and improve targeting. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, while AI algorithms can analyze large datasets to identify patterns and insights. These insights can help businesses optimize their marketing campaigns and create personalized content for their target audience. AI in search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines like Google are increasingly using AI-powered algorithms to rank websites. AI can analyze a website's content, user behavior, and other factors to determine its relevance and authority. By optimizing their website for these AI-powered algorithms, businesses can improve their search engine ranking and attract more organic traffic. AI in web development. AI-powered web development tools can help businesses create websites that are faster, more responsive, and more user-friendly. For instance, AI-powered website builders can automatically generate layouts and designs based on user preferences. AI can also be used to optimize website speed and performance by identifying and fixing technical issues. AI in personalization. AI-powered personalization tools can help businesses create a more personalized experience for their customers. By analyzing user data, these tools can recommend products, services, and content that are relevant to each user's interests and preferences. This can help businesses increase engagement, conversions, and customer loyalty. AI is changing the game in digital marketing and web development. By leveraging AI-powered tools and services, businesses can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and create a more personalized experience for their customers. At Awesome Sauceum Services, we are committed to helping businesses stay ahead of the curve and achieve their online goals.